Hi, Ryu here. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of RealWorldUX. A lot of people ask questions about portfolios at online forums such as Reddit. Today, I wanted to cover this topic, why it's important to have two different portfolios. Okay, let's dive in. Portfolio is the most important component when you market yourself and apply for a job. Yes, your previous work experiences are important too, and your college degrees still matter to a certain extent. But portfolio is the most concrete and tangible proof of your work. Nothing beats that. I would suggest that you have two portfolios. Number one, in-depth process walkthrough portfolio in PDF or PowerPoint or Keynote. Number two, online portfolio. Hiring managers and recruiters are looking for candidates who can actually deliver tangible results. Well, what does that mean? So, a UX designer's job is to solve a user's problem. In order to prove yourself to hiring managers and recruiters that you can actually deliver, you need to show the process through tangible artifacts. You need to show your thought process and decision-making process. This means that a bunch of screenshots of a final product don't mean much, because screenshots don't tell any story about why. What was the process that you took to get there? What kind of key decisions did you make along the way? What are the reasoning for those decisions? What kind of user research did you do? What were the key findings from those user research? What was your role and contribution to the project? What were the things that didn't work well? What were the things that worked well? How did you define the problem in the first place? Or was it defined by someone already? How did you work with PM and engineers and other stakeholders? These are type of things that hiring managers and recruiters need to know in order to evaluate UX designer candidates. All these can be captured in a process walkthrough document. This is an in-depth walkthrough of your process throughout the project, which will give its audience a detailed view of how you worked. Typically, it's better to create this type of portfolio in a presentation style, such as PDF, PowerPoint, and Keynote. Pick one or two of your strongest projects and create in-depth process walkthrough. This works great for in-person on-site interviews. Another portfolio that you should prepare is an online portfolio. This should cover a wide range of projects without getting too much into details to show a variety of projects that you worked on. Just include basic information such as project, product name, year, your contribution, and key accomplishments. This online portfolio works well when you initially apply for a position. Many people use portfolio platforms such as Behance, which is probably the easiest way to get started. The downside of using such popular platform is that your portfolio page could easily get lost in a crowd because there are so many similar portfolios competing yours. If you can afford it, creating your own WordPress portfolio site with your own domain may make it stand out from the crowd. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, click like and subscribe. Feel free to put comments, requests, and suggestions. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.